fucking sucks about a little bit of success? It's like a setup for a new kind of failure. A more painful kind. Because now, instead of just my family, I'll have perfect strangers judging and pitying me too. My fucking play. Not an original thought in it. It's practically a fucking love story, for Pete's sake, full of people just angsting and whining and going on and on about whatever the fuck I was thinking of at the time. I mean, new forms? Why? Why new forms? Here's an idea, just do the old forms better. Who am I to change them? I mean, aren't there reasons we've had protagonists and antagonists and rising actions and climaxes and denouements for thousands of years? Trigorin's stories are sharp, smart, clean, efficient. Yes, I've read them. I've read everything the motherfucker's ever written, pretty much, before and after he met my mother. I was lying to Nina when I told her I hadn't. Of course I did. What? You think my mother is shagged up with one of the great writers of our fucking time, and I'm just not going to read his books and stories? Are you crazy? Nina's been here for a fucking week. A fucking week. I tried to go see her. She wouldn't see me. I haven't seen her in a long time. I tried. I followed her. What a fucking idiot. I mean, but I just couldn't not. I mean, haven't you ever not been able to not? It sucks. It's dangerous.